When modern applications move into the world of microservices, managing communication between all those services becomes a big challenge. That is where service meshes come in, and two of the most popular options today are Istio and Linkerd. Both help manage traffic, security, and observability across your microservices, but they do it in different ways. Let's explore how they compare and which one might be the best fit for your cloud-native applications. Starting with Istio, this service mesh is often seen as the heavyweight in the category. It was originally developed by Google, IBM, and Lyft, and it is packed with advanced features. Istio gives you deep control over how traffic flows between your services. You can manage routing rules, apply retries and timeouts, and even run complex deployment strategies like canary releases or blue-green deployments. One of Istio's biggest strengths is its comprehensive feature set. It covers traffic management, security through mutual TLS encryption, policy enforcement, and detailed observability with metrics and tracing. The control plane, called Istio, handles configuration and policy decisions, while lightweight sidecar proxies, usually Envoy, manage communication between services. This gives you fine-grained visibility and control over every request moving through your system. Now let's turn to Linkerd, which takes a different approach. Linkerd is known as the lightweight and simple service mesh. It was built from the ground up for Kubernetes and focuses on being fast, secure, and easy to operate. It delivers the core benefits of a service mesh: traffic management, reliability, and observability, without overwhelming you with complexity. Linkerd replaces the heavy Envoy proxies used by Istio with its own lightweight proxy, written in Rust. This results in lower memory usage and faster performance. The installation process is quick, and the default configuration usually works right out of the box. For small to medium teams, or for anyone who wants to get a service mesh running quickly, Linkerd is often the easier choice. So which one is better for your team? If you are running large-scale multi-cluster applications with complex routing and strict security or compliance requirements, Istio gives you the flexibility and control to handle anything. It is ideal for enterprises or teams that have strong DevOps expertise and want to fine-tune every aspect of their traffic and policy management. In the end, Istio is the power tool, rich, customizable, and built for massive, mission-critical systems. Linkerd is the efficient multi-tool, clean, fast, and perfect for teams that want production-ready reliability without the overhead. Both will strengthen your cloud-native architecture, but your choice depends on whether you need full enterprise control or simple, dependable performance out of the box.